Hi, and here's the first of the screencasts for the revision sheet for circular functions. This is for the students in my class. Someone else might get some benefit from this too. First question, what is the period of the function f of t is equal to 3 cos 2 pi t? Now, if we have either sine of nx or cos of nx, then the period is equal to 2 pi over n. And if we were going to be looking at tan of nx, which is not this question, then the period would be pi over n. Now we need to be dealing with the stuff I've written in blue, this one here. So we have 3 cos of 2 pi t. In our case, n is equal to 2 pi. So the period for this question will be equal to 2 pi over 2 pi. Now the 2 pi on the top is a 2 pi from the equation, and the 2 pi on the bottom is a 2 pi there. 2 pi divided by 2 pi is equal to 1. So this particular function, 3 cos 2 pi t, has a period of 1. Now let's move to the next question. What is the minimum value of 3 plus 2 cos x? Now the way this works is if we were to have a graph of cos of x, it would look something like so. Starts off at 1. We have an amplitude of 2 in this case here, so we're going to double that one. Doesn't change the period at all. It goes twice as high, twice as low from 2. But then, when we have this 3 plus or plus 3, it's going to shift the whole thing up by 3. So the graph will actually, all of it be shifted up by 3, so this 2 will become a 5. Okay. Wherever we see zeros would actually cross through at 3. So that's like our average point through there. And in the original function, the minimum of the 2 cos x was negative 2. That's going to get shifted up by 3 as well to 1. So this particular function is going to look something like this. So the minimum value is actually 1. Of 3 plus 2 cos x is 1. Okay, and that's your answer. Let's move to the next question. Let's convert 2 pi on 7 radians 2 degrees. So if we have 2 pi on 7 radians, if we're converting 2 degrees, then we multiply by 180 over pi. We're going to have our pi's will cancel down here, which gives us 2 times 180, which is 360 over 7 as a fraction. And if I grab my trusty little calculator out here, 360 divided by 7 is equal to 51.43 degrees. That's to do this 2 decimal places. And I can probably also convert that to degrees, minutes and seconds if I have to. So again, in my trusty little calculator, that will be equal to 51 degrees, 25 minutes and 43 seconds, or 51 degrees and 26 minutes rounded off just to minutes. Okay, let's go to the next question. State the value of x. Yeah, you may remember this particular triangle. 1, 2 and root 3. where that one is 30 degrees up here, and we have 60 degrees down here. One of the two standard triangles that you would remember if you're working out exact answers. Now, if I look at the one we've been supplied with, the side length of 6 corresponds to the side length of 1. So, we also see that the side length of x corresponds to the side length of root 3. This is where our 90 degrees is. So what I'm going to do is just use similar triangles. This one is 6 times the size of this one, so this will have to be 6 times that one. So x will equal 6 times root 3. And just by similar triangles, we get the answer to that one. So that'll do for this particular screencast, and we'll be back with more soon.